Hello, this is Jacob from Kayhan Audio. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your Android phone to the CarPlay. So basically you can use the wireless CarPlay for Android Auto, however you won't be able to connect to it wirelessly or use it wirelessly. So what you're going to need is to connect a cord through your normal CarPlay or your wireless CarPlay. Once you've done that, all you need to do is grab your phone and just plug the charger in at the bottom. Tap onto the settings, make sure it's on CarPlay or wireless. Go onto your phone, locate settings on your phone. So what you want to locate is build number. So once you've located build number, tap onto it 7 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then put your password in, which will be 8. Tap next. Now you're developer mode. So once you're in developer mode, go back, go into developer options. No tree debugging, so you'll have to turn that on. Once that's on, so you want to make sure you have a data cable, not a normal charging. So plug in your data cable, data and charging. So this will charge and do data. Give it a moment, it will start doing the connecting once you've activated debugging. So in some phones it may be called USB debugging, other phones it's just called tethering debugging, things along those lines. What you want to do, go on your phone, get started, click continue, click download, let it download the Android Auto app for you. Give it a moment, it's just going to download for us. There we go. Now it's going to be opening it up. What you want to do is tap more, and then accept, more, and then continue. Click allow, let it use your microphone, your contacts, so everything will be on the unit. Once you allow all that, click continue again. Swipe it on Android, allow it to receive your information and upload notifications. Give it one moment. Tap onto continue, go onto phone, go to CarPlay, give it a moment. What you want to do is simply disconnect your charging cable, reconnect it, give it a moment to load. As you can see, it is connected. So now that your Android is connected, from here you can access your messages, your calls. So in order to call, you need to tap this button. From here you can access your recents, and then you can tap onto this pin pad in order to throw in a number. So I'm just going to call myself right over 0416 890 399. Tap onto call. As you can see, it's popped up on my phone. Hello. And it all seems to be working perfectly. The phones are really close together, so they do make that little bit of static and noise. But yeah, that's working perfectly. You can also access your music from here. Tap onto the second option from the right. Scroll down, you got your Spotify, you got your YouTube Music, and you got your Apple Music if you already have you bought songs or have Apple Music itself, the premium version. So you can also, if you click home right here, as this is just basically the main menu, you tap onto the left side and it's your GPS. So if you have your GPS on your phone, will also connect here. It's Google Maps. Tap onto that. You'll have your home addresses and whatnot. If you want to go back to your unit, go home, all you need to do is tap here and simply tap to return to. Once you tap onto this, it will take you back to the main menu of your actual unit. If you want to make any voice activation, so if you want to make a call when you don't want to touch the button, all you need to do is touch, just tap the top right corner, call Emran.
Calling Emran mobile.
And as you can see, it's going to call me again, right here, and boom, hello. And as you can see, it's working. The reason why the sound is not coming out of the unit right now is because of you will have to connect your phone to the Bluetooth as well, so you can have access to the car speakers and whatnot in order to bring sound and music through the car. Thank you for listening. If you guys have any further questions or you have any specific videos you'd like us to get to, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll personally get to it right away. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel, and please share the video with all your Android users, friends and whatnot, and to help them out and so they can learn how to connect to Android CarPlay. Thank you for listening.